They say that UGM don't buy two police for inside Owerri for Imo State. This one, no be small thing, if you see as they buy people yata yata for inside that place, you sef you go put run for leg. No be small thing. Yeah, my wonderful people, as that one they happen, they say that Tinubu say UK now they find way where they go take use the northerner take remove Tinubu. Now northerner now come dey find way where they go use Yorubas take remove him own brother, because if you watch wetin dey happen now, no be small thing. However, as that one dey happen, they say that the Igbos in Benue State are now identifying themselves as a true Igbos in order way to associate with their brothers in the southeast side. My wonderful people, we will go find out how all this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video so more people go see the video and know wetin dey happen, and also dey follow am up. My wonderful people, they say for inside Owerri today, no be small thing happen. If you want watch the video, go to our S space, go watch the video. For S, go watch the video, because we no fit put am for here. But however, we will show you the highlight of the video. May you see wetin happen for inside Owerri. Well, let's watch the video. How unknown government come by about two police. They buy 4 people where they do POS, and 2 police join for the matter. Let's watch the video together before we come back or continue.
This one is happening in my front house now. Abuja police and Abuja police area. All man for run like this now.
Yeah, this one where you watch now. So now where the thing happen, don't hear where this person they talk am say, see as they take by this police, so the thing the green move we bring her come. We for show you for here, but to go other of our social media handles, you go watch am for inside that place. My people, I want you to watch this video. Waiting this Yoruba man they talk. The North are now trying to use Yoruba to remove Tinubu. Watch the video.
So why would you think that the possibility of an impeachment exists at all for the president before 2027?
Well, I have to be hopeful that the National Assembly members will do what is right for Nigeria. And what is right for Nigeria is that this administration cannot stand. The rate of insecurity, the rate at which the economy is going, all the policies that this president is taking. The president we have is not the man that we all thought he was. This is not Bola Ahmed Tinubu of 10, 15 years ago. This man is gone senile. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's destroyed the economy, and the whole country is going down. If you don't see that, you see, the National Assembly is the key. I know it's a tall order to expect them to impeach him, but for the sake of survival of this country, this man must either go, or we have a review of the 1999 Constitution. The National Assembly has a lot to think about for the sake of Nigeria. They don't go there just because they're in a political party. They're not representing a party when they go there. They're representing the people, the interest of the people. If they take the interest of the people to heart, they will think about either putting this guy in order or getting him impeached. Impeached because it seems to me all his appointments are personal appointments. They're not helping the country. He himself doesn't know what he's doing. The economy is gone. Now the dollar to the naira is, I think, 1,400. The cost of petrol, companies are folding up, unemployment is up. The country is in serious trouble. Something drastic must happen. That's never happened before. We never impeached the president before. I don't think. This will be the first time. Because this is the first time we're having the kind of disastrous administration in the history of Nigeria.
Emilio, Tunumbu Jagaban, Jagaban. My wonderful people. The Jagaban, no the Jagaban them again. But however, when I don't see them, the UK are working hard. This is not the sign, so it start. But however, let me show you this video. How the Benue State people are now identifying themselves as an Igbo. Watch this news that I'm going to bring up to you now for you to watch, because they say Igbo scatter all over Nigeria. But most of us know they believe until when they start to dig out their origin, when they realize and they come together. And Igbos coming together, that is when the Igbo nation, greater nation of Biafra, or they can call it Igbo nation, but Biafra is the main key now. So once Igbo come together, all Igbos, remember say all of them will be Biafra, they get one thing or the other with their Igbo brothers. Watch this video. We'll come back and continue.
I like what I hear. No one wants to be marginalized again. No one wants to be sidelined. Igbos everywhere are beginning to identify with Igbos of Southeast as one people. We are real indigenous Igbos, says Benue Igbos. We are real indigenous Igbos. We are happy to hear this from Benue Igbos. Gone are the days where we don't know where Igboid communities are hidden. I have now put Anyoma and them on the map for future reference. They are in 4 local government areas of Benue State, namely Ado, Oju, Okpoku, and Obi, all in Benue State. These are ethnic Igbo. These are known as the Umwezokoha people. Some people were speaking about Igbo trying to annex other people's land. But look at how sizable amount of Igbo were cut off and placed in the north as northern communities. Presumably, some people hope that the Umwezokoha people will lose their identity, as is happening with some Ikwere people in River State. Umwezokoha community is in the present Benue State and comprises of over 300 villages of Igbo-speaking areas. Ado, Oju, Okpoku, and Obi are local government areas that are part of the newly proposed upper state, that which the Idoma have been calling for. There are over 1 million of them spread across 4 local government areas of Benue State. They are ethnic Igbos. Before the Nigerian Civil War, they lived a happy and meaningful life, mingling freely with their kith and kin in the state. But today, things are falling apart. Instead of the joyful songs they were used to, they now sing dirges. The Benue Igbos, who are called by the name Umwezokoha, are not happy that they have been neglected for a long time now by successive governments, federal, state or local, and they are blaming these on their ethnic origin and the fact that they are in the wrong state. Unequivocally, Benue Igbo people are not known as farm settlers, as some prominent Igbo men are going about broadcasting to the public that we are only settlers here for sake of farming. Comprehensively, farming is our pride in relation to our kith and kin in Ebonyi State, namely Eza, Izi, Effium, and Ezambo people. These people mentioned here are today the strength of Abakaliki political bloc and also the farming strength of Ebonyi people. For more than 100 years ago, we have been in Benue State, even during the time of the Civil War, and afterwards. And still today, we are pronouncing widely in popularity more than expected. Nigeria government, I think this is the right time to embrace justice and stop the political ostracism against the Benue Igbo. Although we have been facing a lot of unexpected harassment, but we are firmly assuring you people that no amount of political deprivation or subjugation will make us to deny our identity as Igbo-speaking people of Benue State, and we must forever remain resolute to achieve our political freedom. People should stop misdirecting the public with messages full of deceit and shenanigans that we are farm settlers in Benue State. We are real indigenous Igbo resident in Benue. Meanwhile, on September 23, 2016, their umbrella organization, Benue Igbo Development Union, BIDU, issued a press release.
Yeah, my wonderful people, share this video as many as you can, because we are here, everyone, we are learning. So Igbos are making a greater move, and the people who are recognizing where their father's land is also doing a greater things, because Igbos coming together is going to make Nigeria know that what they have done to our ancestors is unforgivable. But however, share the video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it is hot. My people, let us know what you think for wetin happen for Owerri. How this unknown government come by so many police, what you think, and may you also let us know this move where they go on for inside backyard, how they want to take remove Tunumbu, whether the thing go work. Let us know for inside comment section. Do you think that the other Igbo speaking or non-Igbo speaking, that there are Igbos who everly come together to answer their ancestors' home and names and culture? If you think so, write down for inside comment section. But one thing where they very, very important now, to share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow all our social media handles as it is hot. Thank you so much for watching.